Yo, what's up, guys? Today, we're gonna be beating the pirate ships that. Oh, frick! Wrong place. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be speed running the sewers map, but the shorter one. Let's go. Not going right in. Yes. Almost. Idiot. Down here. There's a little parkour we have to do. God. Huh. Making sure that the worm is not here. Okay. Yes, we made it. All right. And see you guys. Have a nice day. All right. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and like to my channel. All right. Have a good day. Oops, sorry, lady. Oh, frick, we missed it.